In the early 2000s, we took on a firm of solicitors based in Ayrshire. As is our company process, when a company approaches us to take over their support, we begin with a full assessment of their existing IT infrastructure. With this client, we found that all of their data, client records and accounting information was stored on a hand-built server with a single hard disk.
I often use the tyre analogy when choosing an IT system to explain how cutting corners with your IT is a huge risk to your business. While people are often willing to spend thousands a year on a company car, we wouldn't dream of running it on cheap tyres, yet they don't prioritise spending on vital computing equipment, even though that's the computing equipment on which their business survival will depend.
We recognise the age of the equipment and the vulnerability of the client's data, and so we encourage them to replace the entire server with something more substantial. We recommend a proactive approach and so provide regular server checks to ensure everything is operating optimally and securely. Several years after the CDS server went in, we identified a failed disk during a maintenance check. Thanks to our fail-safes, operations continued as normal while we amended the issue. We reported the error, agreed on the solution and solved the problem without losing the client a single minute of time. Had the client remained on their existing system, a failure was around the corner. They would have lost all access to their data and accounting systems, and this would have cost the client days in reduced operations and potentially a great deal more in data lost.
Like so many CDS IT success stories, our client would never know how much trouble they'd found themselves in if they couldn't rely on CDS to offer advice and maintain their server. We'll always take a thorough, proactive and preemptive approach so that our clients can rest assured that CDS has their back.
Whether your business is looking to install a new server or replace or maintain an existing system, with 30 years of server maintenance to SMEs across the UK, CDS can manage every aspect, from procurement to installation, including data transfer, software integration and complete setup. Choose CDS for minimal risk, minimal stress and guaranteed IT success.